Kong Ingress controller includes admission hook that allows to reject some of the configuration during creation. If you try to configure plugin and trying to ship some configuration that this plugin cannot configure, admission hook will be able to spot this and report this immediately. But sometimes there are some cases where you'll not be able to do this. And for this, starting from release 2.9, Kong Ingress controller now includes native integration with Kubernetes Eventing framework. So you will be able to spot some of the problems that happens with Kong Ingress controller using Kubernetes native way. So let me show you how. I have an Ingress that for the first sight, you will not be able to spot any errors. So looks nice, looks okay. So let's apply this. Let's take a look on this Ingress and let's describe this. We see that some of the events happened with this Ingress. So we see that there's a warning that KongConfigurationApply failed and KongConfigurationTranslation failed, meaning that there's two errors happened. One is that configuration was wrong, meaning that something was wrong with annotations or some of the additional configuration that we shipped. And we can read this message saying that method of the Ingress cannot be used because of the protocol gRPC. Another error we have here, because I created this Ingress without backing this with actual service, I also seen KongConfigurationTranslation failed, meaning that my Ingress will not be able to connect to this service. We can also use a standard command line for this. And we can also apply something like this. We can use a field selector and get those events. And I can see this 56 seconds ago, KongConfigurationApplyFailed. Also, I can use KongConfigurationTranslation as my reason or as my field selector. So that's it. This is how this will work. Native tools that support eventings will be able to catch the Kong errors, and will provide better observability to spot your errors. Stay tuned for more updates about Kong Ingress Controller 2.9.